Hello everyone, I'm Ujesha Rai of class 9th B Kendriya Vidyalaya Gomti Nagar Shift 2, and today I'm going to speak on a very serious topic, Earth Hour. Earth Hour, organized by WWF, is a global grassroots movement uniting people to take action on environmental issues and protect the planet. Engaging a massive stream community, Earth Hour was famously started as a lights out event in Sydney, Australia in 2007. Earth Hour is an initiative to encourage individuals, business, and governments around the world to take accountabilities for their ecological footprints and engage in dialogues and resource exchange that provide real solution to our environmental challenges. Hundred of the world's most iconic landmarks, from the Empire State Buildings to the Eiffel Tower and the Sydney Opera House, participate in Earth Hour. This year, take a walk around your town or city and try to see which buildings switch off their lights for the planet. I wish that all of you make sure to participate in this challenge. This year, Earth Hour is celebrated on 27th of March, the last Saturday of March, from 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today I, Bhumi Kool, is going to talk to you all about a very serious topic, Earth Hour. Earth Hour is started as Lights Out event in Sydney in 2007. Now it is the world's largest grassroots movement for the environment, held every year on the last Saturday of March. Earth Hour engages millions of people in more than 180 countries and territories, switching off their lights to show support for our planet. Natural systems are vital for all our futures, and yet the rate of global loss of nature during the past 50 years is unprecedented in human history. Protecting nature is one of the most immediate, powerful, and cost effective solutions to the climate crisis. Today, Earth Hour aims to increase awareness and spark global conversations on protecting nature, not only to combat the climate crisis but to ensure our own health, happiness, prosperity, and even survival. So it is our responsibility to take part and help to amplify this mission by switching off our home's light from 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. on 27th of March 2021 to protect our planet. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
A very good afternoon to everyone, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, and teachers, and all my dear friends. I am very happy that I have got this opportunity to speak on Earth Hour Day. Earth Hour is one of the world's largest grassroots movement for the environment. It was started by Worldwide Fund for Nature (WWF) in 2007, Sydney in Australia. It is held every last Saturday of March for an hour from 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. in your local time zone and engages millions of people in more than 180 countries and territories. It sees the world switching off its lights to show support for the planet. The movement is an open source platform and welcomes everyone, anywhere, to take part in the movement and help protect the planet. Earth Hour is all about spreading the awareness of environmental issues in our global and local communities. It is an annual global event organized by WWF, encouraging individuals, communities, corporates, and households to turn off their light to show support for fight against climate changes and commitment towards a better planet. Every year on the last Saturday of the month of the March from 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m., millions across the world choose to turn off their lights for 1 hour to celebrate their committed planet. Earth Hour has also progressed to more than just championing the environment but also covers unity among all the people of the world, harnessing the power of the people and advocating for legislative changes that have a positive impact on the environment. It also ensuring your health, prosperity and survival. All these are challenges affecting the world that needs to be addressed immediately without introducing politics. By becoming environmentally conscious through Earth Hour, many companies and individuals have made incredible changes to their lifestyle in order to support the need for change, because we waste a lot of fuel, electricity, and produce a lot of waste. Sometimes the message for a cleaner world falls upon deaf ears. However, through its years of progression, Earth Hour has helped millions across the world become environmentally conscious and produce noticeable changes. Earth Hour is an opportunity of millions of people all around the world to take part in Earth Hour and show their support for climate change. By switching off your lights for 1 hour, you can make a sustainable differences in energy consumptions and can help reduce the effect of global warming on this planet. It is an opportunity for people around the world to show their gestures towards global warming and climate change that have started through showing significant effect on our environment. By reducing your energy consumptions and making small changes in your daily lives, you can make a huge changes in the effects of a global warming. Here I end my speech. Thank you all.